gotta tell them their names. This is Speedy.
Wait a minute, they're all mixed up, right?
Yeah.
Oh no.
I switched their heads.
Oh my god. Okay, so tell me who the heads are.
Speedy, Starfire, Starfire's sister, Robin with the cape, Beast Boy, Starfire,
Okay.
Raven, Beast Boy with this.
Okay.
This is supposed to go.
Okay, can we switch them back the right way?
Yeah.
Okay. Go ahead and do it.
I'm missing the cape. I think it's in the car.
Oh no.
Some of these don't come with a cape, but we can mix and match them for capes.
Okay.
That's why they have the little holes on their back, even if they do have capes. If they eat, because I know she looks the same as her, but they're just sisters. Why does flip it? Just flip it. Since I have to do that, since they have long hair,
Yeah.
these people, because they can make them look like Starfire a little, because they're girls.
Okay. What's his name again? This guy, the green one?
Beast Boy.
Beast Boy.
You know who?
And there's somebody missing, right? Who's missing?
Cyborg.
Oh.
I have another cyborg.
You do?
Yeah, right here.
Where?
Right here.
That's not Cyborg. Is
Yes,
it?
he is.
Oh, that's the adult. He's an adult there, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So, Aziah, where are we right now?
In my quiet room.
In your room. Is this what you call Aziah's world? What? Are we in Aziah's world right now?
But there's something in here that you can't see.
Okay. Why not?
Because it's super cool, but it's for tomorrow.
Okay.
After school.
Okay.
I can do it.
All right.
And if I'm gone, you guys can peek in it.
How's that? How are they gonna get inside of here?
Huh?
How are they gonna get inside?
Huh?
How are they going to get inside of here?
They open this.
No. I don't want strangers in my house.
No, you can open it.
Oh, okay. All right. Put that lady's body back on her. Put her head back on her body.
Somebody's pack. Guess whose pack is this?
Who?
Set. Papa.
I don't know.
Papa.
So what do you think of this set? Would you recommend kids who like Teen Titans to buy this set?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, I want to show you the funny part. A funny part. I think it's funny. Yeah. Sorry, they can't sit.
All right, show us the funny part, and then you're gonna close out the video.
He can fit. That's it.
Oh, he can. He's a little bit too big though. Just a taste.
Oh, what happens if I take the head off? Now you can fit.
Hilarious. All right.
Bye, sweetie.
All right. So tell us what to do. Tell the kids what to do.
If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up.
And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe.
Mama, can we do the free little Batman's video?